TEi Services is a 50-year-old locally owned company. We manufacture all sorts of things out of steel. Where we've been is a fairly normal manufacturing workshop. Where we're going is to try and be a world-class leader in manufacturing.
So the hub team identify any opportunities for our business to take advantage of out in the broader market area. They're very good at conveying that information on different grants, different programs that are coming up, different training coming up, and where we can leverage all of that to benefit our business.
The hub has enabled quite a few meetings with policy developers, which I feel is very important because they get a real view on what's happening on the ground.
So the manufacturing hub team have identified where we can access training to get ourselves ready for those defence certifications, particularly with World Australia, with training up our frontline management staff. There's no stone they won't unturn for you. There's nothing that they won't help you with. They will help to facilitate group meetings with other manufacturers in Townsville to see what collaborative approaches we can take to pick off some of these larger contracts. And then they put us in front of the right people straight up front to get our foot in the door early with the emerging market scene. I'm
beginning to see that we seem to be getting results with less effort. And I think that's because we're doing things a bit smarter.
I would urge any manufacturer who's serious about advancing their business to the next level to engage with the team at the Townsville Manufacturing Hub.
That's an investment in our manufacturing, which is our future.